Now, your attempted murder is defined as an act which a person intended to kill another living human being but was unsuccessful in carrying out his intention. The test which has to be applied is that what was the person's state of mind at the commission of the offense. So with that, you have to look at the whole environment, what caused the argument, what was the argument about, and what are the injuries sustained. So let's say we use the example of Uncle Adam and Hafiz Adil. Uncle Adam throws out a firearm, he points Hafiz Adil decides, I'm going to defend myself in the masjid, throws out his firearm, and he shoots Uncle Adam, and the bullet goes through Uncle Adam's kufiya. Fortunately, he was wearing a high kufiya on that day. So, believe it or not, the charge is going to be attempted murder. Whether he got struck or not. When you, brothers, sisters, when you pull the trigger of a firearm, you're going to face attempted murder. Maximum you're going to make. Then you've got your alternatives. Discharge of a firearm in a built-up area, negligent discharge of a firearm as well. That can go coupled with that. So now you're thinking, okay, that went through his kufiya, I'm going to get off that. There you're looking at attempted murder, maximum 5 years imprisonment. And then the magistrate is clever enough and says, no, I'm not going to convict you over that. Let's go to the Firearms Control Act. Negligent discharge of a firearm in a built-up area inside the masjid. There were 10 people watching this whole situation. I'm going to knock you with a book. 15 years imprisonment. Forget about the attempted murder. So, in that environment, please be careful. Is there any examples you could think of that could take place with an attempted murder in the masjid? Surely when the brothers fight with each other. I think we dealt with a malicious injury to property. That is where somebody causes harm and damage to the masjid in itself.